Well, the wind, a major factor in today's fires. Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Heather Waldman right now with more on that.
Yeah, and fortunately, those winds have really backed down since earlier this evening, where we had sustained wind speeds 25 to 35 miles per hour through the valley. Now these winds sustained anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour with some occasional gusts. But notice we do still have the north flow. That does still have that drying effect, and that may still continue to push some of these larger fires a little bit farther along overnight tonight. What we're not seeing are the wind gusts. So we're not seeing kind of that sporadic uptick in the intensity of the wind, a sign that things are again continuing to calm down. Another good sign as far as the fire weather conditions go, relative humidity is starting to increase. Earlier this afternoon, these numbers were down between 10 and 15%. That's low enough that these fuels losing extra moisture to the air because the air itself is so dry. But as these numbers come up, or as you may hear, recover, that kind of helps to stifle some of that fire activity a little bit. Still, we have a red flag warning in effect for the entire valley and for some areas of the Coast Range. That goes until 8 o'clock Tuesday morning. There will still be a north breeze for the west side of the Sacramento Valley for the first few hours of Tuesday, but otherwise you're going to notice Tuesday the winds a lot lighter.